The CleanWave Breeze isn't just a reliable beast, it's also a pure pleasure. And that pleasure should last throughout its entire lifespan, whether it's under warranty or out of warranty. As we know, life happens and you can have the most reliable device, but something might still happen. For example, your child might take the control panel and drop it into the water. Don't worry, it's splash-proof. We thought of that too. Let's assume, however, that it got damaged. You contact us, we send it to you, and tomorrow you're fully enjoying all the benefits that CleanWave Breeze offers. And this applies to absolutely every single part, every single element, because CleanWave is meant to be perfect down to the last detail. You'll need an absolutely precisely made motherboard. We'll do a diagnostic together, see if it's needed, and we'll deliver it to you. You'll need a washer for a screw. You contact us and we deliver it to you. And this applies to absolutely every single part, even the smallest one. I invite you to follow our social media, where we show what reality looks like at CleanWave. All so that you can see transparently how things look with us.